just shook the whole car market. The Renault Kwid has officially become South Africa's most affordable new passenger car. Yep, you heard me right. Renault South Africa dropped the price of their top-selling Kwid to just 178,799. That's like 1 rand cheaper than the Toyota Vitz, 101 rands less than the Suzuki Espresso. Because listen, in the budget game, every rand counts, right? But don't let the price fool you. The Kwid might be affordable, but it's packing a lot of value under that cute bonnet. We are talking 14-inch wheels and great ground clearance. Perfect for our South African roads, lady. What's this? A lot of potholes. Reverse camera and electric windows all round. 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So you stay connected in style. A roomy interior that actually fits 5 adults comfortably. Yes, it's small, but mighty. Under the hood, it's got a 1-liter 3-cylinder engine. Small, but efficient. You are getting a 4.7 liter per 100 kilometers on the manual, and then on the automatic, you're getting a 4.4 liters per 100. That's basically saying petrol price for who, baby? Look it. Plus, you are covered with dual airbags, ABS, a 2-year service plan, 5 years warranty, and a 1-year comprehensive car insurance included. Come on now, Renault really said peace of mind. Sorted. Whether you are a student, a first-time buyer, or just looking for a budget-friendly daily drive, the Renault Kwid is that girl. Starting from 178,799, it is officially the cheapest new car in Mzansi. So don't just sit there watching. DM me today. Let me get you behind the wheel of your brand new Kwid. Don't forget, I deliver nationwide. Distance is not a barrier, honey.